see how we get on. I'll have a walk to the shop while we wait for the MOT. Yeah, look what we've come across. It's shut though. So it keeps raining. I've come for a walk up the road, been to the shop, got myself some crisps and a Pepsi Max, and it's raining a little bit on and off, so I thought rather than go back to the garage and wait for the van MOT, I'll just have a walk up to the train station, which is just round the corner. At least we're in a nice dry shelter. If it sets on hard rain, it's quite humid today, so yeah, so we'll sit here for 10-15 minutes, watch the trains go by, and we'll have a walk back down, see how the MOT's gone. I've had a nice chilled out sit down in that little shelter. It's not rain, I've got my jacket on, it's well warm and humid. So we're at the train station. I'm going to walk back down now, and we're going to see how we've got on with the MOT. So let's go. Next to the train station, you've got the motorway, so it's really busy and noisy, as you can probably hear. Well, let's have a walk down. It's about 5 minutes. We'll go and have a find out what's happened. It's always a bit of an unnerving time, isn't it, going for the MOT? It's always been the same. From when I was younger with the cars, old minis and things, used to be frightened to death on MOT day. So drop down in the comments if you get nervous when it's your MOT. Obviously you guys are in your vans full time, that's your home, and yeah, it's difficult if they fail, isn't it? You know, you've got to get the repairs done and stuff, and these days every MOT, I think they keep altering things, and what fails and everything, to make it more and more strict. So yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm sure we'll be okay. It's a cracking van, is ours, hopefully. So let's go and find out. So we all back, parked up, locked up, secured, everything else, and good news is straight through the pet test, passed first time. So yeah, happy with that. Straight away through the MOT. I did do a couple of bulbs on the back. I replaced a couple of rear bulbs yesterday, I think it was. We changed them out. So yeah, all done for another year. So so a load off my mind. So thanks for watching this quick one. If you like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Give us a thumbs up and drop us any comments. If you've got any questions, I'm happy to answer. So see you on the next one.